Okay folks, today we're checking out Malibu Maxx, and one of the loveliest features I see that they have is this rear wiper blade. See, they don't make replacements for it unless you want to buy it from the dealership. And the dealership is happy to sell you this whole assembly for, I think they gave me a price of $120. And that doesn't work for me, not for a rear wiper. And my window's dirty, but I just take it to the car wash before I spend 120 bucks. Anyways, this is the wiper blade that came out of here. This disassembles, so it's pretty easy. And I've got a plan, and I'm going to show you my plan. I'm going to open this thing up. Another cool feature about this is it's got itself a little picnic table or party bench, workbench, whatever you want to call it, that comes along with this thing. It's awesome. So anyways, what I found was this. This is an Anco Advantage 9114 wiper blade. And quick disconnect, blah, blah, blah. I don't care about any of that. I started thinking about it, and I was a former GM employee for many years, and I know how they work. This is their blade, flat. Flat blade with a little ridge, destined to fail in no time, guaranteeing years of wiper blade replacements at their dealership. No, not today, devil. So, what I did find out is that this blade, for 10 bucks, the blade itself is the same thickness, width, and length. So I'm going to remove this blade from this frame and try and see if I can put this filler in this unit, which I think I can. And if I can, haha, you Chevy. So that's it. Let's give it a try. There is one thing I want to show you, is this blade. They make these. Let me get in some light. If you look, there's some little metal tabs right there that hold it on that holder, and that won't fall off. That's the way it's designed. Oh, we can't have it fall off. And they'll never figure this out unless you have a pair of these. And if you take these and squeeze them, whoop, they just go down. And when they go down, you can slide the wiper blade out of there without any damage. So that's how we're going to do it. Let's see what happens. I'll get back with you. Okay, so I got this blade off. This is the new one I took off of that frame. Slid right off. And this is part of the Chevy Malibu frame. And lo and behold, it slid right into place and locked. So now I just have to take this part and slide it into this part, which I'm thinking isn't going to be too hard. And then look at that. Amazingly enough, it fit. We're just going to pull it back a little bit. We're going to slide this in and snap it into place. And oh no! It looks like it's going to work. So we're going to give this the acid test. In my case, maybe the jack acid test. But I think it's going to work. Let's find out. Go over here. And I got to find my keys. Traffic cat seems pleased. And we're going to go down to this button. Let's do it in the mirror. Holy mackerel. A $10 fix for a $120 piece. There you go. Not too shabby. My dad would be proud. Thanks, Dad. Thanks for teaching me how to fix stuff. So there you have it. We take this blade off of this Anco frame, which is a 9114, $10 or $10.99 at my local auto parts store, Congress Auto Parts. Actually, I'll give them a shout out because the guy actually measured it and helped me, and he was cool with the idea. So we don't need this, and I could afford to throw that away just because. So anyhow, that's it, folks. That's how you fix the rear wiper blade for pennies on your Malibu Maxx. All right? If you're in Florida, I'd say enjoy the day. If you're up north where it's snowing, hey, enjoy the day. It's the only one you got. So that's it. Be good, be safe, have a good day. Bye-bye.